Welcome back to the Joe Show on another video training on how to clean a Traeger smoker. Now, it's recommended that you do it all the time, keep it for the best flavor. I actually have a seasoned, what I call a seasoned smoker here, but today I gotta clean it. I've ran probably about 2-3 bags full of pellets through and burn in, and now it's time. And also the indicator will tell you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is I'll come in here and I'll use a brush, and I like to clean everything in here. All right, so that's pretty much it as far as cleaning your grill. And really, after every time you're done smoking, take a brush and clean it off, and it always stays nice and clean. So now I'm gonna put on a pair of gloves, and we're gonna pick the grills out, and we're gonna vacuum the inside. And also I'll show you a little trick to help keep your smoker really clean all the time. Take this one off. So once you prepare your smoker, after it's all done, there is that pan that all the drippings go on and go down. So what I do is I cover it with foil, and I'm going to show you how easy it cleans. See how easy it is? All the drippings have gone, and I just drop it right into my trash can right there. And there is the heating pan, really clean. You don't have to worry about scrubbing or anything, and it doesn't have a lot of mess. And I want to note also, you want to make sure that your smoker is totally cooled off. It's not hot, so because you're going to get your hands in there, you may burn your hands. So now what we're going to do is on the inside here, you can see there's all this ash, and that's from the pellets, and we're going to vacuum all that out. Now, I'm not totally done yet because I want to take out a couple things. This portion right here, you want to take this out, and you want to clean the inside of the hot tumbler tray inside there. So I'm going to finish doing that. All right, so now you have some of the sticky ooey stuff, and what I usually use is a small little putty knife, and I'll come in here and we'll just scrape some of that off. Then the last thing I'm going to do is take my brush, and I'm just going to clean some of the top sections here. All right, so now the one last thing I'm going to do before I start putting everything together is I like to use a little bit of a cleaner, and I just come in here and I spray just some of the top parts here, some of the back parts in here, up above. Something that you want to use that's biodegradable, something that is easy to clean. You're not going to hurt nothing. Think about it, if you're a Traeger, you got to smoke it at 500 degrees, nothing's going to ever hurt it. Okay, so now that I'm all done cleaning, now what we're going to do is we're going to put some of the parts back, and we're going to put in the metal pan, and we're going to show you how to wrap the foil. So the first thing I'm going to do is put this back in. That's how easy it is. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this is your drip pan and your heating pan, and what I'm going to do is we're going to cover this with foil. So let me take my gloves off here, and we're almost done. This is really a quick and simple, easy way to do this. There, that's it. Now all you have to do is finish putting the grills on, and you're all done, and you start your smoker up, and we're going to do a little more cleaning here. Right, there you go. Grill's all cleaned. Your Traeger is ready to go. Now all I have to do is just a little upper level cleaning here. Very simple, very easy to do. Gonna put this over here. Spray some of this spray on. And there you have it, ready to clean, ready to go. All you need is some foil, a vacuum, a little putty knife, clean everything out, and now you're ready to smoke. Take care, have a great day. Thanks for watching The Joe Show.